Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to deposit money to Wealthfront. We're going to go over 3 ways. The first one is ACH, bank transfers. So first, you need to log in to access your Wealthfront account through the website. And to transfer money, you just navigate to the transfer money section and select the deposit option. Then I need you to, of course, link the bank account if you have not done that already. Okay, link your bank account to Wealthfront. Now this can be done through micro deposits or by entering your routing number and account numbers. Okay, and they can either be a one-time or recurring transfer. So you choose whether you want to make a one-time deposit or schedule recurring deposits. Okay. Another method is to deposit a check. So you open up the app, the Wealthfront app, and select the transfer option. The icon basically looks like 2 arrows. And then to deposit a check, you just choose deposit a check. And then you just input the check amount, sign the back of your check, and write for mobile deposit only below your signature. And then I want you to go ahead and take clear photos of both the front and back of the check and submit the photos. Now the third method is a same-day wire. So you log in and access your Wealthfront account through the website and navigate to the transfer money section, select the deposit option, and choose the use same-day wire option and follow the prompts to initiate the wire transfer from your bank. And it's really that easy and simple. So smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions if you found this helpful.